This meal is very filling. It can hold you for over 8 hours. If you want to achieve this, keep watching to see the steps. You will enjoy it. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to prepare a healthy breakfast recipe, and it's very budget friendly also, so you don't have to worry about that. It's very rich and filling. It's our Garri pudding, so just watch carefully. First, we have our Garri. Up next, we have our coconut and sugar. The sugar here is for my sister. I don't take sugar. Then we go ahead to get our milk and our groundnuts. Guys, I made 2 cups of Garri here. What you're seeing there is 2 cups. If you're eating alone, you're going to make half cup. If not, you'll not be able to finish it because, you know, it's loaded. These are the ingredients that we are going to use to make our pudding. Now we go ahead to wash our Garri, pour water and sieve out the dirt. Then you go ahead to dice your coconut. This is it. Now we proceed to put water in our pot and bring it to a boil. After that, you proceed to pour your already washed Garri inside your boiling pot. When you're done pouring everything inside, you turn properly. Then ensure that you do it to your taste. It could be thicker than mine, it could be lighter than mine, so just do it the way you want. This looks like Quaker oats, or would I say oats, but it's not necessarily oats. And for those of you that don't like oats because of the way it tastes, you can make do with this one. It's very healthy. You just add in your toppings. You can even make it more bougie by adding your apples, your berries, and all of that. Now we are going to bring our Garri to a boil, and then we turn off our gas. Then you go ahead to serve. Please guys, if you've watched up to this point, do not forget to like, comment, subscribe and share my videos. Don't forget to turn on your post notification bell also. Thank you guys. As you can see, that particular Garri gave us 3 different plates, 2 spoons each per serving. You understand? We go ahead to add our toppings. You put your granules, you put your sugar or your honey. Then you go ahead to put your coconuts. Then if you're not making do with coconuts, you can put your apples, your berries inside. Then you proceed to pour your milk. Now you can make do with dried milk or liquid milk. When you're done adding your toppings, you go ahead to eat, and we are done. That's for my sister, the one with the sugar. This other one is for my mom, the one that has nothing, and this other one is mine. You can eat your Garri this way instead of the normal regular way. Try it and thank me later. I know that you're going to enjoy it. Thank you so much guys for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.